Garlic begins its journey in the field. Garlic is torn from the ground. Garlic moves without pause.
Next one, move it.
Garlic is judged instantly.
Garlic gathers by the ton. Garlic prepares for travel.
Garlic is locked in place.
Garlic enters the industrial world. Garlic reaches the edge of industry. Garlic follows a controlled path.
Garlic is logged and cleared.
Garlic enters controlled territory.
Garlic is measured by the pound.
Garlic waits its turn. Garlic meets the facility.
Keep coming back, a little to the left.
All right, hold it right there.
Garlic is aligned for transfer.
Garlic is released. Garlic prepares to enter processing. Garlic crosses the factory threshold.
Garlic enters controlled light.
Garlic is protected by human eyes.
Garlic is refined at the edge.
Garlic enters the core. Garlic is organized. Garlic sheds its outer burden.
Garlic is balanced precisely.
Garlic approaches cleansing.
Prepares to be clean. Garlic prepares to be cleaned.
Garlic meets its first purification. Garlic is stripped of the field.
Garlic is scrubbed clean.
Only garlic remains. Human eyes guard garlic quality. Imperfect garlic is removed. Garlic finds its class.
Garlic freshness is locked.
Garlic sheds the wash.
Garlic is ready for peeling.
Garlic skins begin to surrender.
Garlic is stripped bare.
Garlic skins vanish.
Garlic breaks into pieces. Garlic is judged by light.
Garlic is washed again.
Garlic is reduced to form. Garlic becomes uniform. Garlic is ready to lose its water.
Garlic begins to dry. Garlic releases its moisture. Garlic transforms slowly.
Garlic drying is controlled.
Garlic is dried evenly.
Garlic is protected from burning.
Garlic reaches dryness.
Garlic is cooled gently.
Garlic dryness is confirmed. Garlic moves to its final form. Garlic enters full automation.
Garlic flow is balanced.
Garlic becomes powder.
Garlic is captured.
Garlic is refined precisely.
Garlic stays pure.
Garlic is unified.
Garlic is contained. Garlic powder nears completion.
Garlic flow is perfected.
Garlic is measured precisely.
Garlic stays free-flowing.
Garlic becomes silky.
Garlic meets final standards.
Garlic is visually verified.
Garlic remains stable.
Garlic is protected.
Garlic is traceable.
Garlic faces final judgment. Garlic is sampled. Garlic moisture is confirmed.
Garlic structure is verified.
Garlic safety is tested. Garlic color is true.
Garlic flavor is intact.
Garlic is clean.
Garlic is approved.
Garlic moves forward. Garlic meets its final stage.
Garlic is packaged.
Garlic is secured.
Garlic is identified.
Garlic meets weight.
Garlic is boxed.
Garlic is stacked.
Garlic waits for dispatch.
Garlic is shipped. And this is how modern factories produce garlic powder from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.